I'm going to do a quick video on my Knipex 9721215. I've had this tool for a long time. I've had cheaper versions of it that don't work. This is the only tool of this sort that actually does a brilliant job. Even at crimping it's pretty good. So the crimp is at the top. As you can see, pretty good. And it's quite stub nose, so you can get into socket boxes and tight spaces. Then you got these are like for trimming screws on back boxes and bolts. It goes from 2.6mm to 3.5, which is useful for trimming back box screws down. It's got a cutter. I don't use the cutter much, but it's there if you need it. I'll just show you. Really sharp and does a good job even on 6mm, which is tough. And then these things, which are brilliant, the wire strippers. All I've got is 6mm, so I can't show you any others, but you just put it in the one you need, turn it around, and just pull it off. Brilliant. Obviously not as easy as automatics, but always gets you out of trouble, always does the job you need it to do. Solidly built, thick, quality materials. Cannot fault the Knipex. These ones anyway, these are a good value for money. For the VDE tools, it's crazy priced.